Hey guys, welcome back to our Happy Meets Healthy. If you're a big fan of pizza or pizza bagels like I am, I've got great news for you. I'm gonna show you one of my favorite hacks to make pizza low calorie, low carb, gluten-free, and really low in smart points. This recipe for Zucchini Pepperoni Pizza Bites takes no time at all. It's a great party snack, after school snack, or easy dinner for one. So simple to make too. So my Weight Watchers friends out there, I just wanna let you know, 12 of these pizza bites are only 4 smart points. This is pizza you can enjoy every day. Okay guys, this takes just a handful of ingredients. We're gonna start with slices of zucchini as the base for our little mini pizzas. And then I'm gonna use one of my favorite secret ingredients. Have you guys tried turkey pepperoni? Okay, I've gotta tell you, when I first heard about this, I was super skeptical because I'm not the biggest fan of turkey bacon, but I've gotta tell you, turkey pepperoni tastes just like the real thing for a fraction of the fat and calories. You can find it at the supermarket right by where the regular pepperoni is. This brand is 70% less fat than regular pepperoni. So you get all of that spicy, savory flavor you love for a fraction of the calories and fat. So it's gonna get topped with that, then just a little bit of pizza sauce and some part-skim mozzarella. And here's how we put them together. So to get started, we're gonna slice our zucchini into 12 even pieces. You can actually make this recipe in the toaster oven. It's a lot faster than heating up the oven. What you wanna do is look for a zucchini that is long and narrow to make nice small bites. A bigger zucchini, when we cook it, will get too wet and mushy in the middle. It's really easy to double or even triple this recipe if you're having a whole party or having a bunch of people over. So what we're gonna do is put the zucchini slices right on a pan. Like I said, I'm doing these in the broiler to make my life easier. If you're cooking for one, by the way, I highly recommend you use your toaster oven more. I use it a ton. It's just so much faster than the oven. Doesn't heat up the kitchen. It doesn't take as much time to heat up either. So arrange these on the pan. I'm gonna hit them with a little bit of olive oil cooking spray, just a tiny bit. It's gonna help them brown a bit. And then, for one-shot seasoning, I'm using some garlic salt here. If you don't have garlic salt, you could use garlic powder and regular salt. Okay, now we're just gonna pop these into the broiler for about 4 to 5 minutes. We don't want them to cook all the way through. We just want them to brown a little bit on top and get nice and tender to the bite. And then we're gonna top them with our sauce, our pepperoni, and our cheese. So this is what you're looking for, you guys, just that they're a little bit tender and a little bit of light browning. Put them as close as possible to the heat in your broiler, in your oven, or in your toaster oven to get the fastest browning. So now we're just gonna top them like you would any other pizza. I'm using jarred pizza sauce here, not marinara sauce. If you can see, it's just a much thicker puree, and it has more flavor in it than general marinara does. You could use marinara if that's all you have, but I really like using pizza sauce for this. Now we're gonna hit it with a little bit of part-skim shredded mozzarella. You could also use light Italian four cheese if you want. You could use light provolone, whatever cheese you like, but mozzarella is pretty classic, right? Don't worry if it doesn't stay right on the zucchini. It's gonna melt and be delicious and come right off the pan. Okay, now let's get to the good stuff. So I've chopped up some of this turkey pepperoni. Seriously, you guys, let me know in the comments below if you've ever tried this. Check it out. It's always in the supermarket right next to the regular pepperoni. I guarantee you are gonna love it and really not be able to tell the difference. Sorry, I'm gonna sneak one. If you're not a pepperoni fan, you could totally make this recipe without it. But honestly, unless you're a vegetarian or vegan or really anti, it adds so much great flavor. Okay, now we're gonna pop these babies back in the toaster oven just for a minute or two to melt the cheese, not really to cook it anymore, and then they're gonna be ready to enjoy. So these little mini pepperoni pizza bites, I love to top them with some hot pepper flakes for some more punch. You could also top them with, some dried oregano, Italian seasoning, a little fresh basil, whatever you like. Oh my God, you guys, I absolutely love these. I could personally eat them every day. They're also, by the way, a great way to get yourself, your family, your kids, your friends to eat more veggies. They're super fun for parties, easy weeknight dinner for one. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe below too, so that you'll know the next time I post another Happy Meets Healthy recipe.